Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see looking around environmental studies. In that chapter number 9. In that main 6. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. See the question number 1. Kiran's younger sister has been born into the family. How will Kiran spend her day now? See the answer. Kiran will spend her day by using baby talk with her baby sister to make her smile. She will play with the baby instead of going out to play and make the baby play with her. Question number 2. Has anybody in your family moved to another village or city because of work? Answer is yes, my uncle's son has had to go to Mumbai since his office is located in that city. See the question number 6. For what kind of special food is cooked at wedding ceremony? Answer is for marriage of uncle Mohandal, mango fruit, mango puri, two vegetables, bhajiyas, puri, rotis, dal, rice, papad, salad, pickles, raita, etc. had been cooked. Question number 4. What kind of songs and dance are performed at weddings? Answer is famous wedding songs are sung at marriages and when bride is leaving her home and the groom's family, friends and relatives perform modern dance on the way to the bride's home. Question number 5. Since her father's transfer, what will Sumi have to do on getting admission to a new school? Answer is on getting admission to a new school, Sumi will have to make new friends, make new relations with her school and class, and will have to adjust to new environment. Question number 6. Who is the most educated person in your home? Answer is my father is the most educated person in my home. Question number 7. Who is the least educated person in your home? Answer is my grandmother is the least educated person in my home. Question number 8. How do you address the elders of your family? Answer is I address the elders of my family respectfully. Question number 9. What do we learn from a family? Answer is we learn about unity, cooperations, and the feeling of collectiveness from our family. Respecting our elders and behaving in a loving manner is learned. Question number 10. What is a joint family? Answer is the family in which grandparents, parents, kaka kaki, brothers and sisters, and cousins live together is known as a joint family. Question number 11. What is a nuclear family? Answer is the family in which there are parents and one or two children is known as a nuclear family. Now see the next page. Question number 12. What is the meaning of child marriage? Answer is the marriageable ages of a boy 21 years and a girl 18 years respectively. If someone gets married at an age younger than these fixed ages, then it is known as a child marriage. Now main 7. Answer the following question. Question number 1. If there is a small baby in the house, what type of changes will be seen? Answer is point number 1. The elders of the houses will have the added responsibility of looking after the baby. Point 2. A cradle will have to be arranged for baby to sleep and rest in. Point 3. Toys will have to be bought for the baby to play with. Point 4. Care has to be taken to ensure that there is no noise when the baby is sleeping. Question number 2. Kiran's younger sister has been born into the family. What new work will her mother have to do now? Answer is Kiran's mother will have the increased responsibility to bath and clean the baby, change its clothes time and time again, make it sleep on the time, and feed it well. Thus, the new work Kiran's mother will be the taking care of baby and its needs. Question number 3. Dipali's cousin means Kaka's son got married. What changes will be there in Dipali's family now? Answer is, due to Dipali's cousin's marriage, a new member has been added to her household. Dipali has a new sister-in-law. Dipali's new sister-in-law will help in many of the household chores. Dipali's aunt will get some relief from work. Question number 4. When daughter gets married, what changes will there be in her family? Answer is, when a girl gets married, all the people of her father's home miss her a lot. Due to their daughter going away, her parents may feel lonely. They will miss her for whatever work she used to do. The father himself will have to do whatever work the daughter used to do. Question number 5. What special clothes do the bride and the bridegroom wear? Answer is, the bridegroom wears a sherwani and a saffron, or he wears a coat, trousers, a tie and a turban or a saffron on the head. The girl wears a panetar, a blouse and a petticoat. She wears a moat on her head. Now see the next page. Now see question number 6. What did you see at the wedding that you had attended? Now see, answer is a point wise. See the point 1. There was a mandap for the wedding. Point 2. There was a chauri in the center of the mandap. Point 3. On all the sides of the chauri, mattresses, rugs, chairs and sofas had been arranged. Point 4. There was a separate mandap for food. Point 5. The priest was chanting mantras and performing the rites. Point 6. The women of both sides were singing wedding songs. Point 7. Friends and relatives gave gift to newly wedded couple. Point 8. The food was arranged on a large table. Round tables and chairs had been arranged at various places for people to sit and have their meal. See the question number 7. What reasons can be there for changes in families? Answer is, some of the reasons are as follows. Number 1. When a family member has to leave the family for a job. Point 2. When a responsible member of family passes away suddenly. Point 3. When the financial conditions improves and the family goes to live in a big luxurious houses. Now see question number 8. Are there any such children in your neighborhood who had to drop out of school? Why? Answer is, yes. A boy Gopal stays next to me in my neighborhood. After his father's death, he had to work as a laborer to support his family. So he had to drop out of school in the middle of the year. In the same way, a girl named Asa had to drop out of school in the middle of the year to look after her baby brother because both her parents work as a laborers. Now see main 8. Differentiate between joint family and nuclear family. See the point 1 in joint family. The family in which grandparents, parents, kaka kaki, brothers and sisters and cousins live together is known as a joint family. And nuclear family point is the family in which there are parents and one or two children is known as a nuclear family. Now the second point of joint family, there is a no tension of work in a joint family. And second point of nuclear family, workload and tensions increases in a nuclear family. Point 3 in joint family, even if both the husbands and wife have jobs, there is no difficulty in a joint family. Now in nuclear family, point 3, in a nuclear family, if both the husband and a wife have jobs, Children are not taken care of properly. Now see the next page. Now see the hot questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Question number 1. Which of the following pairs is included in my family? A. Mama Mummy, B. Masa Masi, C. Mummy Papa, and D. Foi Fua. Foi Fufa. Answer is in my family. So Mummy Papa is there in my family. So option C is your answer. Now see the question number 2. How is your grandfather's younger brother related to your father? Option A. He is my father's grandfather. B. He is my father's kaka. C. He is my father's mama. D. He is my father's masa. Answer is option B. He is my father's kaka. Now see question number 3. Your mother's parents, your grandparents have one son and two daughters. So how is your mama's sister related to you? Option A. C can be my mother. C can be my mother. B. C can be my foy. C. C can be my mommy. D. C can be my mother or a masi. Answer is option D. C can be my mother or masi. Here your chapter is completed. We will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.